We chase it like a butterfly. We convince ourselves that a happiness is a place we will reach one day. We say, I will be happy when I get that job. I will be happy when I am rich. But have you ever noticed that every time you reach a finish line, the line moves further away? This story is about a man who conquered the world, only to find that his heart was still empty. It will show you why happiness is not a destination, but a manner of traveling. In a city of glass towers, there lived a man named Leo. Leo was a collector, not of stamps, Mum, but of achievements. He believed that happiness was a mathematical equation. Success plus money equals joy. He worked 18 hours a day. He climbed the corporate ladder 2 steps at a time. He told himself, just one more promotion, then I can relax. He was running on a treadmill, thinking he was climbing a mountain. By the age of 40, Leo had it all. He had the penthouse with the ocean view. He had the luxury car and the respect of his peers. From the outside, his life looked like a golden dream, but on the inside, it felt like a cage. He would stand on his balcony, holding a glass of expensive wine, feeling a cold, hollow wind blowing through his chest. He had purchased everything on the menu of life, but nothing tasted good anymore. The breaking point came on his birthday. He threw a massive party. Hundreds of people came, people who loved his money, not him. As they sang, "Happy Birthday," Leo looked around the room. Suddenly, he felt suffocated. He realized he was surrounded by noise, yet he had never felt more alone. He had spent his whole life building a castle, only to realize he had forgotten to build a home inside himself. Leo packed a bag and went searching for the secret. He traveled to the mountains of Tibet. He meditated in silent monasteries. He was looking for a magic key, a hidden wisdom that would finally make him feel whole. But no matter how far he traveled, his sadness traveled with him. One day, in a small village, he saw an old woman sitting under a tree. She was peeling oranges. She had no shoes. Her clothes were worn. But her face was glowing with a peace that Leo had never seen before. Leo approached her. "Mother," he asked, "you have nothing. How can you be smiling?" The old woman laughed, a sound like wind chimes. She handed him a slice of orange. "I have nothing?" she asked. "I have the sun on my skin. I have the sweetness of this fruit. I have the breath in my lungs. What more is there?" Leo sat down. "But I have millions," he argued, "and I am miserable. I'm looking for the secret." The woman looked deep into his eyes. "My child, you're looking for the sun while holding a candle. You think happiness is a trophy you win at the end of the race. But happiness is not the destination. It is the road. You are miserable because you are waiting to live instead of living." It hit Leo like a lightning bolt. He had spent 40 years waiting for the big moments, while missing the millions of small moments that actually make up a life. He returned to the city. He didn't sell his things. He didn't become a monk. But he changed his eyes. He started to find joy in the smell of his morning coffee. He found happiness in a simple conversation. He realized that the secret wasn't out there. It was right here. Leo's story teaches us that we don't need more to be happy. We need to appreciate what we already have. Here are the lessons for a happier life. 1. Happiness is an inside job. 2. Stop saying, "I'll be happy when," and start saying, "I am happy because." 3. Comparison is a thief of joy. 4. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. 5. The present moment is the only place happiness exists. And 6. Success is getting what you want. Happiness is wanting what you get. Stop chasing the butterfly. Sit down quietly and and it may just land on your shoulder. If this story brought you peace, share your thoughts below. Subscribe to LifeGram English, learning English, living better. Until next time, stay happy.